All right, good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss AIA Day, and today is Friday, April 24, 2020, and we will be working today on our reading, maths, language arts, science, social studies, and fine arts. Now, run along with me. All right, on this week's writing, you're going to draw a picture of your whole family and write one or more sentences about them. Make sure you write your first name and your last name, and you use the writing paper provided for drawings and sentences. Now, this is the paper. Make sure you write your first name. I am going to write my name as Miss Ayorinde. And then you're going to draw a picture of mommy, daddy, yourself, your brothers, and your sisters, depending on how many siblings you have. And then you're going to write a sentence or more about your family.
All right, boys and girls, we're still going to be learning about our ending sounds. Now, the instruction says, say the word for each picture. Write the ending sound. Use these letters: M, K, D, L, F, R. Now, let me go over the sound with you. K, D, L, F, R. Now, you're going to look at each picture. Number 1. This picture says drum. Drum. So the ending sounds is what? So I'm going to help you right here to put your Make sure you write on the line. Drum. Now let's go to the next picture. Bed. Bed. Remember, you are only writing the ending sound. Back right here, I already put and I'm going to cross out this Now, whatever sound you can hear at the end of bed, you're going to write it here. Next one, number 2, is beer. Beer. So at the end, you can hear the sound beer. So you're going to come right here and put the letter sound and cross it out on top right here. Now, next picture, next to beer, you have seal. Seal. So the letter sound you hear at the end of seal, that's what you're going to put right here. Number 3, we have book. Book. So the letter sound at the end, that's what you're going to put right here at the end of book. Now, right here we have leaf. Leaf. The letter sound at the end, you're going to put right here. That's all you need to do on this page.
All right, boys and girls, for this week on maths, we are going to be learning about more and less. More and less. More means that means it's addition, and less means subtraction. That means you have more of oranges or more of bananas or more of something. And less, when you take it out, you're going to have lesser than what you originally had. Now, the direction says you're going to count the objects in each picture. You're going to write the number in the box to the right. Compare the pictures, color the picture with more objects, and draw an X on the picture with less objects. Now I'm going to help you with the first one. All you need to do first is to count the number of gumballs in this gum machine. Now I'm going to count it. Start with me. I'm going to make a dot so that I don't count it twice. Now listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11 gumballs in the gum machine, and I'm going to write my answer here. My 11 is a 1 and a 1. Now I'm going to come over to the second one. I'm going to count the balls here. Now listen, remember we need to make a dot in order not for us to count it twice. Now listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 gumballs right here. Now Back to our questions. More or less? Which one is more? Is 11 more than 6 or less than 6? AIA more. So 11 is more than 6. So we are going to color the picture with more objects. That means you have the opportunity to color these gumballs and the machine. And what do you do to this one that is less than 11? We are going to draw an X on the picture. So I'm going to draw a big mighty X on this picture because it is less. Now you do the same for the apples on the tree. You're going to count the apples, put the numbers here, and you color the one with more apples and cross out the ones with less apples. Now we have the fish in the fish tank. Now you count the fish, write the number for the one on top, write the number for the one at the bottom, color the one that has more fish and cross out the one that has less fish. Now we have ice cubes in the cup. You're going to count the ice cubes and put the answer in the box right here for the top and count the ice cubes for the one at the bottom. Color the one with more ice cubes and cross out the one with less ice cubes. That is what you need to do on this page.
All right, boys and girls, we've been talking about season for this week. This page, we're going to do a tree in all seasons. So direction says, look at the tree in video. Each. Okay, let me take it again. Look at the tree in each picture. Write the name of the seasons that labels the tree. Now, the option is given to you right here. We have spring, fall, summer, winter. Now, right here for number 1, what do you observe on the tree? There were no leaves on the tree, nothing, no flowers, no fruits. So that tells you it is winter. During winter, everything will be so cold, dry. So right here on number 2, what did you observe from the tree? The leaves are falling on the floor. That tells you it is what? Fall season. Number 3, can you see the flower blooming? The tree is really nice. And you can see this is spring. During the spring, we don't have too much rain, we don't have too much sun, everything is balanced, so it makes the flower to be blooming, glowing. So we have spring right here. And the 4th one, it is what? Summer. When the weather is hot, you can see the leaves are becoming dry on the tree. That's all you need to do. Just make sure you put the names of the tree in all season. Let me put the number 1 for you. Winter. You're going to put your winter right here. So I'm going to put winter. Winter. So right here I have winter. So that's all you need to do. Make sure you write all the words and you look at the picture correctly. Then make sure you cross out the winter right here. So when you go back to the next one, the next word you write here, go back to the word bank and cross it out.